So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your brakes when you have the 4-piston brakes calipers. Excuse me, I burped. The 4-piston calipers in the front, super easy. The only problem is, oh shit, I got the hiccups. It's really hot, but I'm gonna jack up the car. That's number one. You have to have some air it just has to be risen, and we're gonna get going. You got to get your tools. On my tires and my lug nuts, they're size 17, so I'm gonna get that taken off. And really simple to take the brakes off. You don't even got to do much. So I'll be right back. My caliper's super dirty. Yeah. So what you gotta do is you gotta remove these pins. Well, this pin is holding these pins. And then you gotta take this off. Hey, not over there. And then you literally slide this out. And you gotta compress the calipers so you can slide the new caliper in. Look who's here. Look who we got here. We got Mr. Ninja Turtle. Say cheese. Don't be this shy now. Yeah, so I'm gonna slide the pins off, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like right after. Okay. Get this clip off. See that little hole right there? It has to get out of that hole. And then, how do I get this one off? Literally pry this one off. It's kind of difficult to do this with one hand. Yeah. So snap that off. Alright, and since that little pin is off, slide these out. Slide it out. And this is what holds the caliper in, or the brake pad in. I'm not gonna lie. What? Yes. Oh yeah, you putting them together? I'm not gonna lie, from the looks of it, my brake pads look really good. Can you see that? I'm gonna take them out just so you guys can see the difference, because I thought I needed new brakes. It doesn't seem like it. My rotors are still flat, relatively. I wonder what it could be, because it's not even close to being used. Alright, let me take them out real quick. So I just used channel locks to compress the caliper. Alright, so these are the brake pads that are on there right now. They actually look really good. Careful. These are the new ones. And I feel like they have just as much weight. What? Oh dang. Like literally, like barely any difference of meat. That's super weird, because I be getting some vibration when I brake. I think I'm just gonna switch them out regardless, just to be safe. But I'm gonna keep these pads for when I do go to autocross one more time. I'm gonna burn these out for sure. But that's weird. That is super weird. I don't get it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, because I'm gonna put these ones on there. See this little hook right there? That's for when you need to, that it tells you when you need new brake pads. And it goes, it makes a really nasty noise. But I'm gonna install these right now. This is all super simple. I'm gonna put it in the front. And that's all you need to do. That's super weird. We'll put this one in the front because it'll scratch that as soon as the brake caliper is low. Don't tell me that. But I need to squeeze the caliper or the piston more. So what I do, slide the old one in there. Yes. Oh, look at you. You made that into a straight line. Wow. Good job. Give me that. Yeah. Thumbs up. I see. Yeah. Good job. Oh. Alright, so we put the channel locks right here. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to use both hands, so I'll be right back. But that's how you do it. It's not really simple, but I'm trying to be quiet. I'm not trying to make so much noise when I am working on the core. So I am using my hands, not the drill, because it makes way too much noise. But this is super simple. So you take these pins and you just throw them up here, and you gotta make sure it goes through that hole, and then that hole, and then out the other side. And then you do the same thing with the other pin. And the reason these are dirty is because of brake dust. Just remember that. So you gotta make sure the hole lines up so it's in there. See? And then it goes in through the other hole and out the last hole. And then you get this little last clip in there, and there's a tiny little hole. Let me see if you guys can see that. Into that one, and so does the other one. And then this little hook goes into this little hole right here. And after that, it's just put everything back into its place. Super simple. Alright, I finished brake job. Super simple. I just had to be quiet, so it took me longer, or else I would have had it done like 20 minutes sooner, 20-30 minutes sooner. But also I was recording, so it kind of takes a little bit of time. So yeah, so right now we have to pump the brakes because the pistons are actually compressed still. So when you pump the brakes, there you go, see, because when it's all the way pressed in, your brake pedal is gonna go all the way in. So please do not drive as soon as you do a brake job. Just get in your car, pump the brake a little bit until it gets hard. No gay. Or let's cut that. And so you gotta pump your brake until it gets hard, or else you're gonna be on the street super scared, pushing the brake pedal in and not braking. You're not gonna brake if you don't press the pedal in to get the pistons back out. So as soon as you get a little bounce back, you can start your car, as I am about to do. You gotta make sure you push the clutch. So you start the car and you press a little bit extra. So what you're gonna do is you're going to I think it's called beating the brakes. So you kind of gotta warm up the, like, wear the first little part to the brake pads, and you gotta go really fast and then hit the brakes really hard a few times. I want to say like 2-3 times, and so it'll heat up the brakes and it'll burn off that first layer, and then you should be good. So I'm not a true mechanic at the moment, so don't take my word, but this is just me not wanting to go take it to a mechanic. Take it to a mechanic because I know I can do it and save a lot of money. Because like all the parts itself, I think I spent like $200. Not just the brake pads, but I also bought the fluids. I spent like $100. So it's fluids that's gonna be next. I need to go buy some crush washers, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. It is super hot. I'm gonna go get some water. See you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, like, subscribe, and comment down below.